Alright, what's up y'all? We back with another video. Today we'll be getting rid of the badging. So I bought everything I needed. Got my waterless spray, got my glue gun, got my fishing wire. I even got my Dodge logo that go on the front. I'm pretty sure this is probably the easiest part. See, the joint will just clip on like right here. So I got that joint. So yeah, we're about to try. I don't got no heat gun though. Got my little microfiber rags. It's real windy outside today, so I apologize. I also got my tints done as well. I didn't tint the front of the car, only just the sides. I ain't tint the back either. But my windows are tinted now. So I'm about to try to order some stickers. Get the stickers on the joints with the Instagram and the IG and all that. I don't have anywhere to place y'all right now. So I'm about to just debadge it. And I'm gonna let y'all know later. Wipe that down. Make sure it's clean. I'm trying to do it with one hand, so I apologize. I'm gonna keep the RT on it. I ain't taking the RT off, but I'm only taking this charger part. I'm taking the Dodge part off. And I ordered my tint, so I'm gonna tint these out too. So I'm just prepping the area right now, and that's it. So now that I sprayed that, I'm gonna get my glue gun, and I'm gonna start off with these ones first. Let me open it up first. All right, got it to work now. So I'm gonna let that joint sit a minute. And then when that joint sit, we will use this fishing wire right here and get that joint up off of it. Alright, so far I got all the badging off. Now I just gotta get rid of this stuff. This should just peel off, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it just peel off. So I'm gonna peel this stuff off and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like after. Alright, so far that's what it look like right now. I got the Dodge letter and all off. Like I said, I kept the RT badge on there. Alright, so this is how it looks so far. We kept the RT badge like I said. We took off the Dodge on the tail light. I probably got cleaned up a little bit. You can kind of still see the residue from the glue. Right here I'm still working on. I sprayed a little bit more the glue gun on there, so I'm gonna wait for that. It's like a little bit of residue left on there, so I'm waiting for that. And then after that, I'm gonna be finished. Overall look, and like I said, probably next week I'm gonna have my tints coming in, so I'm gonna tint this out right here, and then I might order my little YouTube to go right here to cut out. So yeah, that joint coming in. I'm thinking about getting the Hellcat spoiler too. I might wait, cause it's a lot of work for getting this off. And you gotta buy all type of filling and stuff like that. So yeah, that's an update so far. I'm gonna let y'all know the finished product when I finish. It's about to rain, so I'm gonna try to hurry up and get this finished. Alright, so this is what we got so far. It's still there just a little bit, but from far away it's not visible at all. It's just now started drizzling, so I'm gonna try to hurry up. But it's finished now. And then now I'm just waiting on this piece to come in next, And we gonna get the exhaust work done. So I might do a straight pipe just for like a month. Straight pipe the car for like a month, and then get my exhaust work done. But it's clean now. So these are the tints I'm gonna put on my car. I didn't get the luxe ones. I wanted the luxe ones, but these are what I got so far. Now I'm gonna just make sure the area is clean. Got my alcohol water mix. And I'm gonna just clean this. Make sure you're careful, because if you press too hard, you will break the little plastic package. So this should go about here. This one's just a test one, just so I can find out what I'm doing, how I'm gonna do it. But like I said, this is just a test one, so I can find out where I want it to be at. They give you 2 to test try on, and then the actual one will be the one that I really put on the car. So you can see from the difference if I close the trunk. That's what it looked like on the left, and then the original's on the right. So it's definitely way darker. It doesn't completely match the back of it, but it looks pretty decent. How the tints look. So this is the final product with all the gents being on. So yeah, that's it right there.
Oh, Mario is bad.
Alright y'all, so this how it look. It's real shady right now. Yeah, that joint's starting to look, it's starting to look nice. Now I just gotta get the exhaust work done, and then we good to go.